In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these trending AI images for free, and I'm also going to show you how you can swipe your face on these images for free. Go to Google Chrome and search for bingimagecreator.com, and you're going to come to this interface. If you haven't signed in, you simply sign in using your Gmail account. But if you are signed in, if you have been following my videos, then you should be signed in by now. Now you're going to come to this interface. In the box here, just tap on that to input this prompt. You can find this prompt in the description of this video, so you can just simply go there and pick up this prompt. So this prompt is saying handsome boy sitting on a chair. This, you can simply change the social media name. This is YouTube, and using YouTube, wearing suit. He's wearing a suit. The background of this and this, then you can change this and put your own profile username. Now when you're done setting this up, you simply tap on the create to create this image, and after this image is being created, I'm going to show you how to swipe your face on this image for free. And here we have our image being created. To download the one you like, simply tap on any of the image just like this, and here you will be able to download it by tapping on these three dots. You will see the download icon here. Tap on the download icon to download this image. If you want to download another one, still the same thing you are going to do. Tap on it and tap on the three dots to download this image to your phone. Now just search for remaker AI, remaker.ai. That's the website we'll be using. I'll leave the link to all this in the description of this video. When you get to this website, this is the interface that you will see. Okay, just scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see face swipe. Look at it here. Just tap on the face swipe, tap on it, and it's going to load up another interface for you. Here you are going to see another interface. If you haven't signed in, you are going to see a sign in button somewhere here. Just simply sign in. But if you have signed in, then after signing in, you will receive 70 credits, which each face swipe you do will take away 1 credit from that. So here you are going to upload the original image which you want to swipe your face on. I'm going to tap on that to upload the original image. For this, I'll be using this image and tap on done. So I've uploaded the original image. Now it's time for you to upload the target face. So tap on that and upload the target face you want to use. I'm going to tap on this. So here is the image. Now you are going to tap on the swipe, tap on the swap, and allow your image to be generated. And you can see the website did a great job by swiping. So if you can see, this was the target face, and you can see the change here. So this is how you can change your face on this AI image, any AI image of your choice, using this method. If this video was helpful, do not hesitate to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates on AI stuff. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.